I've been meld attacked and now for almost 3 years. Keeps me from smoking and drinking all the beers. And when I found my first coin, I could hardly believe my luck. Was a big old penny just lying in the muck. Hey, you can't dig here.
Well, good morning, hammy hunters, and here we are on another Toddy's Digs, and I've got my nemesis with me today. Brings me bad luck every time he comes with me. So, we've got good land today. We've got a couple of old buildings down there. We've got a stubble, a grass, two grass, and a big tatty field which I'm going to go into. So hopefully we get something this week, guys. So catch you when we get on the fields. Right guys, you'll see the snow zone already. But it's supposed to go off later on, is it no? I'll no stop us, Bobby, eh? Right guys, you can see we've got a bit of a blizzard situation going on here now. The snow's starting to take cold, we've got a yellow warning. So hopefully it goes off a wee bit, but so far we're detecting through a blizzard. That'll no stop us.
I'll show you what I got.
Right. Hope the lens is clean there. Nothing to clean the lens with. Huh? No. Aye. Hey guys, here's Gina's got a what?
I don't know. It's a ring, I think, of some description.
Oh, aye. That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. So we're thinking bronze. Well, it's bronze, but yeah. Some guys thought maybe off a chariot, but it kind of looks. We're sort of thinking maybe it's more like a ring now.
Aye, I would think that's a finger ring of some description, eh?
Yeah.
Well done, pal. Where'd you get that?
That was just over on the field on the right, just up at the
right
on the fence line. Yeah. Next to and it was right next to an iron ring as well.
Oh.
Like O-ring. Yeah.
Brilliant. What'd you get? Hee-ho!
Bag of water.
You're joining my club, the Hee-ho Club. Second round. Right guys. Oh aye. That's okay, mate, isn't it? What's that? A nice livery button.
No, it's just a wee Georgia club.
Oh, is it a initial that's on it?
I think it's a C.
Well done, huh? Oh, is that a wee...
Yeah, a wee George pattern.
Well done. What'd you get, mate? You're away with a tree.
Just a farthing. Nothing really.
You had much this morning? Oh, right.
Just a farthing. Not too sure who it is, but you can see the market.
Aye.
See this.
Oh, aye. I see it now, aye.
I've got a saddle badge. Somewhere in here.
Get your pal. Don't eat me. Alright. Saddler's badge, oh, aye. That's okay. Nice one.
Yeah? What you selling, Alex?
Nothing. You cold, pal?
I'm doing it in the car, so we've got to have 10 minutes and back in again.
That's on camera.
Aye.
2 seconds, Alec.
I'm just talking to Alec and Bobby.
Where the best in the bottom of the field?
Aye.
Down the bottom of the one where the cars are parked.
Is that the carbon shaft?
Yeah, that's from Ed Detect. No, Detect Ed.
Alright.
Australia.
Looks quite neat.
One of the cheapest carbon shafts about and one of the best. There we go, Alec.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Two of them together,
Huh?
Put yours together.
Did you get one as well? No. I forgot one.
I'll tell the jokes.
I forget one, did I?
Aye.
Well guys, I'm on to the last field of the day and I'm feeling the cold. I should have had on my big duvet suit, but it's been flipping bitter. But I've got a wee round thing. It might be a button. I'm hoping it's a coin, but I'll need to get a wee clean up, get a picture out for you. So, it might be a wee farthing. But what a day, what a day. Flipping blowing a blizzard, but the blizzard's died away now, so it's turning to a wee bit more like sleet and rain now, so let's crack on guys. Well guys, when I turned that here, my heart skipped a beat. I thought, oh, gold. But it's too light. I don't know what it is. Probably a bottle top or something stupid. There's a wee bit of lead in fact. Or is it a button? Don't know. It's nothing anyway. But for a millisecond here, I was in the gold. Well, it's only a 1950 ship's halfpenny guys, but at least I'm starting to get some wee signals now. I've got a couple of buttons there in this wee ship's halfpenny, so things are picking up. Well, there's a nice big clod shot there guys, see it? The way it's sat itself up. I think it's just a penny, but I'll have a wee look and see. There guys, look at the difference 4 hours can make in Scotland. 4 years ago it was blowing a blizzard up here and you couldn't see anything for snow, and look at it now. That's Scotland for you. Got all the seasons in the one day. Hey, I see James showing muck somewhere here. What was it? Is that what you pulled me out for?
That's your pattern.
I bet it's shite.
Shite.
No, that's like a bit of flint that's been walking.
Aye,
It's not
showing
flint,
it
it's
is.
too heavy, but
It's too heavy for flint. It's a metal and that can work your detector. Aye. It's too heavy. It's not bronze. No.
is it fuck? That's been.
No, that's old. Soppy. That's old. That's old. See the pattern on it? If you look at
That's
there,
it.
you can definitely see there's a lot of Bronze Age enclosure there, and you've got that big hill there. That'll
Aye.
actually fund that old ring that's pretty old.
Aye.
Just watch the dead calf, because that big coup down there is looking for its wane. That's lying there.
I know.
With the pattern on it.
Well, hello hammy hunters, and that's it for another day in Toddy's digs, and it's been a good day for me. I started off bad, but then things picked up, but then I was using the days. How did the knocks day?
Plenty of finds.
Aye, right. Yeah, just a jinx, son, that's all. We were struggling today, but not to worry. There's always next week. But there was that nice Bronze Age ring came up. And what machine fun that?
I don't know. Couldn't have been a dace anyway.
No, it was actually an ox.
There you go.
But I didn't want to say that to you. Right, okay guys, until we meet next week on another Toddy's Digs, you guys take care, be safe, good luck, happy hunting.
I've been metal detecting now for almost 3 years. Keeps me from smoking and drinking all the beers. And when I found my first coin, I could hardly believe my luck. Was a big gold penny just lying in the muck. Hey, you can't dig here, you can't dig there, that's what I heard him say. You're gonna have to leave now and don't come back this way. I was looking for some old coins, but I didn't have much luck. He said it was a lady.